Hello. This video is recorded for to installation of AkiliERP. So basically, to run and install AkiliERP, you need three things prior kind of prerequisites. One is a .NET Framework 4.5 or above, and second one is Crystal Report runtime, and third one is SQL Server 2008 R2 or above. So you must have installed these three things on your computer to run our AkiliERP. So I do have installed SQL Server 2008 R2, and also I do have installed these two things also. So basically I have hand over to Akili 21072017 dated folder. So just extract it. There are two folders, one is a data and another one is an installation file, and this one the document which I prepared. So basically let's get started from the database. Okay, as you can see, you have not we have not created a Kili database. So first things, you have to create a database, new database, right? Let's create it Kili. So we have created a scratch database, right? How to restore the database? Now I'll do you to the how to restore. There are two ways. You can run a script, you can create your own database, or you can restore a database. So let me go through the restore first. So basically I do have a backup file with me, which is Akili 2107202017. So what I'll do, I'll just click on the right click of the mouse, then go to the task. After the task, I'll select backup. Sorry, not backup. I'll select the restore database. After that, just select the from device and select your file location from here. Where do you have on a backup file, right? I'll just select the backup files and create it, and I'll press OK. After the selection, you just click here to restore this database. Now just go to the option and just select the first option, which is restore option. Overwrite the existing database and just click OK. So in this way you can restore this database. As you can see now, all the tables are included, all the procedures are included. So this is the way to restore a database. Now second thing, I have handed over you one script also. Through script you can restore your database. Just drag this, just create a name of Akili database and just drag this script to over here, right? And I'll remove some of the points from here. What it will do, it will do is executions, and notice these are the errors for me. So in this way, just create a data script. Just drag and drop over here. Don't save it. Okay, from here you can just click F5 button. So it will execute all these things. Till it's executing, you have to wait. As you can see here, that executing query. So to get over the certain things, you must have your instance name, your username, your ID and password. Now I'll just go through with the set of files. As you can see, you are there here, two setups are there. One is AkiliERP, another one is setup. You can install our application of any of the on your any of these two files. Let me install it with this. It will ask you the accept terms and agreement. Just click next. It will show you also the folder. Install it. it's still executing, so it will ask you the yes, install it. Now as you can see, the desktop icon is created. So uh, uh, as of now you don't have to settings your database configuration, because I have done it on an automatic process. So just click this AkiliERP icon, it will find some configuration, and if it finds that your application is not connected with that particular database, so it will ask you to configure that. So we don't have to change it manually. Just is simply your server, your user ID, your password, and your database name. Let's say our is Akili. So let me give you a brief introduction of this all fields, what it means. If you click here, your server name will be here, right? And after your authentication, make sure the authentication should be a SQL Server authentication. Just click your password here, write your password over here, your database name like Akili, right? Connect it. It will, if it's get connected, then it will redirect through over here, right? And you will be able to log into the system, and as you can see, it is working fine. So basically, if you want to change the database in a runtime, just click over here, click here, and it will give you a pop-up again. You will be able to connect it once more. So this is the basically procedure to installation and deployment. So I'll hand over this video to, if you have any query or concern, then let me know. I'll guide you through. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.